is your holistic loctician, Aina Gina. I wanted to update all of my clients and any new interested clients on new services that I am bringing to J-Spot. So number one, I will be offering virtual consultations and also virtual appointments. You will be able to access those via my Instagram, J-Spot Loc Salon, and from there you can access the link tree where you can book appointments and follow me and keep updates on my YouTube videos. When you get to Style C, you will book a virtual consultation or either virtual appointment. This is something new. It is something new for me. It will be something new for you. But I will be here to make sure that everybody is able to maintain their locks while they are at home. There are different things that I'll be teaching and providing to you all via your appointments and via YouTube videos of how to use the crochet method to tame those wild and loose hairs, how to do 2-strand twists, different quick updos or styles that you all can do. What's the best shampoo to use? What is the method that you should be doing for hot oil treatments? Those type of things. I also look forward to you all letting me know what videos it is that you want. I hope that everybody is staying safe, staying at home, and the key phrase that we keep hearing is flattening the curve. So I look forward to seeing all of you all at upcoming appointments when we're out of quarantine. Make sure that you have signed up on our listserv so you can receive email updates and notifications. Please follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Also Pinterest. Peace and light.